Good evening, everyone. Today we have lessons 4, 5, and 6, and we are going to finish Unit 6 today. Let's start with Lesson 4. Multiples of whole numbers. Multiple, what's meant by multiple? It means a product of two whole numbers or more. Like example, if we have 2 times 3 equals 6, we call the 2 factor and we called 3 factor. 6 is called a product. We can say it's a product or we can say it's a multiple. So 6 is a multiple of 3 and 6 also is a multiple of 2. But 2 and 3 are factors of 6. How to find the multiples of any number, like multiples of table 2. As we said, the table 2, products of table 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Multiples of table 3, as a timetable 3, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Multiples of table 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Here we have an important note. Here 0 is a multiple for all numbers. So we have two numbers, two important numbers, 0 and 1. 0 is a multiple of all numbers, but 1 is a factor for all numbers. So the difference between the word multiple and the factor. Here from the school book, he need to get the multiples of each table for table 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. So as we show as in the picture, for multiples for table 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Don't forget 0 is a common multiple for all numbers. Now let's start with lesson 5. It's about common multiples. Common multiple mean a multiple of two or more numbers which are common. So we have two timetables now. We need to get out multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. So multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48, 54, and 60. Let's get out the common, which are 12, 24, and 36. And don't forget to put 0, because 0 is a common multiple for all numbers. So 0 and 12, 24, 36 are common multiples between 4 and 6. From the school book, we will see the chart of the multiples and then answer these problems. Number 1, he needs to get out the common multiples of 5 and 2. So don't forget 0 is a common for all numbers. So the first common 0, then 10, then 20. Number 2, you need to get out the common multiples of 3 and 4. So I will see multiples of 3 and multiples of 4 and get out the commons. So 0, 12, 24, 36. Number 3, common multiples of 8 and 2. 0, 8, 16, 24. Number 4, common multiples of 9 and 3. 0, 3, 9, 18, 27, 36. Number 5, common multiples of 2 and 6. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. Number 6, common multiples of 1 and 9. 0, 9, 18. Number 7, common multiples of 4 and 5. 0, 20, 40. Number 8, common multiples of 8 and 4. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. Number 9, common multiples of 5 and 3. 0, 15, 30. So, to answer this one, you must know the products, the multiples of each timetable. List the multiples for each pair of numbers until you find the first two common multiples for each pair. First one, we have 5 and 7. Let's get out the common multiples between them. 0 and 35. 6 and 9. 0 and 36. 6 and 8. 0 and 24. 4 and 7. 0 and 28. Lesson 6. The relationship between factors and multiples. What is the relation between factors and multiples? If we have 3 times 4 equals 12, so we called 3 and 4 factor, and 12 is called multiple. So 3 and 4 are factors of 12, but the number 12 is a multiple of 3, and number 12 also is a multiple of 4. Think about the relation between the numbers in each group. Write at least 2 sentences to describe what do you know. So in the first one we have 3 and 6 and 12. We need to write the relation between each one. So 3 is a factor of 6 because 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 is a factor of 12 because 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, and 12 also is a multiple of 6. Number 2, we have 4 and 8 and 16 and 24. So we can say 8 is a multiple of 4, 16 is a multiple of 8, and the 4 is a factor of 24.